I'll guide you through on how to download offline maps on Google Maps. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. And now let's get right into this guide. You may want to go and download maps so you can go and look at them and use them when you don't have any signal or you don't have any internet connection. So what you need to do is go on the top right of Google Maps and click on your profile icon like this. After that, what you have to do is click on the offline maps. After that, click on the select your own map on the top. Now you can choose the area that you want to download. For example, I'm downloading this area in New Delhi. Now, one thing to remember while downloading maps is the downloaded maps will take space in your device. For example, if I look at this, it says it'll take 380 megabytes of your free space. But if I zoom in and select a smaller area, for example, this area will only take 100 megabytes. So it depends how big of an area you're downloading. After you have selected the area, you have to click on download. And on this screen, you can see it has started downloading. Now, while it's downloading, you can click on the three dots and click on rename so you can rename your map. For example, the name is map 3 for now, and I'll keep it like that. And you can save it. As you can see, the map is downloaded. After that, you can click on it, and here's your map.